Hey guys, this is DK Spencer and whoop-pow! Green Goblin. I know, right? Blast from the past. So, the people that make this sent me this thing to review a good bit ago. And ironically, it actually works on this build about better than anything. I probably, well, first of all, this is DK's goofy build, okay? Nobody take this serious, because this is not serious, obviously. But, alright, think about the Green Goblin's little, whatever thing he flies on, blah, blah, blah. And the lights on it. I'm just saying. I don't know. You like it. I don't care. Whatever. So, Gobs is just, old Gobs has been around. So I got BK Kinetics. I gotta take these glasses off. I've got BK Kinetics and Gobs. And I have not sighted it in because I switched the optic on the FSC carbine. So, well, I can see that we're hitting it. Well, I don't have anything to adjust it with. So we're hitting a little bit to the left, so yeah. So yeah, good times. I still hear stuff falling. Yay. Alright, well, I just want to kind of see if Gobs would work. Alright, so this is the Silver Tongue Devil. This is actually my serious short build. You can tell because it's got a freaking holosun on it and a G series light. But Kipter turned me on to those, man. Those are really nice butt stocks. So glasses off. BK Kinetics. Good times. Okay, so we've ran 2 mags of BK Kinetics through 2 different VKSs. Now let's get freaky. Let's get real freaky here. Woo! That was loud. Wow. Why is that so much louder? VXRs. Good times. Alright, whoop-pow! Now, this is Nickelodeon in tan, but, yeah, get a good gawk at that. So, even though I fancy myself the TCR whisperer, no, I'm kidding. But anyway, even though I like to, have these to where I can turn them up, honestly, I keep mine kind of modest. Because I'd rather be able to do that. Right? Because I'm sorry, but that right there would have put a hurting on some more. Ha! I did count right. I second guess myself. Oh yeah? Well, whoop-pow again. So let's go Sidewinder, 30 cal. Hell, full auto. Why not? Nice. Let's see that one more time in slow motion. No, let's just do it in semi-auto. Hey DK, whoop-pow! Since that's fresh in our head, let's hear what a Rattler sounds like. Okay, well, I guess we could do that. Now, come on, DK. You know as good as I do. That was some lightweight ammo. He's trying to save some money. Let's see what the big stuff does, man. Oh, yeah, more or less lethal. Whoop-pow! Let's do a patrol carbine. 74 joules. Ah. Whoop, I heard ball fall. Woohoo! No biggie. I mean, it already smells like baby powder up here, but whoop-pow! Ha! Ha ha! Not that way. That way. Ha ha! Boy, them things got some curve. I mean, how about when we whoop-pow brimstone, son? Let's see here now. How do you work this thing? Whoop, whoop, whoop. Uh-oh. Dang, I hope that wasn't my truck. Somehow my mag fell out. Never had that happen before. Right. I'm trying not to talk much in this, but one thing I want to... Pow! Let's go with the HDX. And I've got one of these I hadn't modified yet. I sold one that was modified, and then this one's modified. But... So, one more. So, yeah, this is modified, still shooting pepper. I think you should modify them whether you shoot pepper or balls, by the way. Now, whether I said it or not, that was an HDX. And then, whoop-pow, this is an HDB. You know. Boom, son. That last one didn't bust. These are really good for shooting chemicals. Still modified. You need them modified. They're not strong enough to bust the doggone things first if you don't. Alright, wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't represent a M17. I mean a CQMF. I mean, you know, whatever. I mean, what are y'all thinking we should do next? FSC. Okay, we can do that. I mean, again, we want to include pow, everybody. So we'll go with the Byrna HD, old school, my first less lethal. These are Duke chemicals. Thank you. Now, what I really want you guys to concentrate on this time is pow, Tipex. So now we got, I don't know, this one's like 50 joules or something. I got some, got some Joule V2s in it. Apparently I need to adjust my CO2. Now everybody knows pow, that they're going to be upset if I don't shoot a real 50 with real ammo versus, you know, not a real one, but not pepper rounds that curve where they hit it. I mean, we can't pow, leave this guy out. Let's just be honest, that's not what you wanted to see out of the Beretta, is it? Alright, well then how about we whip out pow? Huh, yeah, that's kind of weird, huh? Hopefully. Ooh, that's not going to do. We're going to have to... Yeah, let's see if that don't work a little better. Oh, yeah. Yeah, son, yeah. The part of the pepper balls will now be played by paintballs. Ha ha, whoop-pow for the finale. So, something to remember about these guys right here. I hope it's loaded. Oh, yeah. Something to remember about these guys right here. They ain't got a lot of power, but... You can go through like a couple $100 worth of inerts real quick on this puppy. Yeah, son, yeah. Whee! Alright, guys. Look, this is DK Spencer. You best like and subscribe after all that. And hey, you know, Merry Christmas.